So guys, look at all the bush meat that just came from Nigeria. Bush meat. So look at it, grass cutter, antelope, porcupine. All of them is here. So get ready for bush meat mukbang. Nobody should say, Mommy Bella, come and give me bush meat too. You know they are very. Hello everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So today guys, we are going to be unboxing our bush meat and other things that just came from Nigeria, all the way from Nigeria guys. So we'll be unboxing it together guys. Oh my god, this is much. It's actually 13 kilos guys. So look at it. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to start with this. We have this one is a little bit difficult. Daddy Bella can't wait to have this grass cutter. Okay. Oh my god. I just have to. Oh my god, the way they wrap it. Okay, this is stockfish. As you can see it, guys. This is stockfish. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is bitter leaf. Let me check. It's bitter leaf. Okay, look at it. It's bitter leaf. I think this one is. Hi, your backpack. Okay, this is another stockfish. Oh my god. Yeah, this is stockfish. Wow, so fresh. Look at it, guys. These are stockfish. Okay, this is one of the bush meat. We have wow, I can sense it from here. I'm not a fan of bush meat though, but Daddy Bella is waiting to demolish this bush meat. Ow! Wow! Hey! Oh boy! Look at the bush meat. Oh my god! Look at it. So yummy. We still have other bush meat too. This is just one of them. Woo! Daddy Bella can't wait. Look at it, guys. Look at the bush meat. We are still unboxing. There are a lot of things here. This one is also bush meat. Oh my god, yeah. It's also some bush meat. Some grass cutter. This one is antelope. I don't know the difference. Look at it, guys. This is another part of another bush meat. I think this one is
grass cutter.
Grass cutter, yeah. Okay, look at the bush meat. Bush meat all the way from Nigeria. I don't know. This one is also some bush meat. Daddy Bella, you don't want to start eating it. Oh my god. So guys, that is it. So package it very well. Okay, this is also bushmeat. Bushmeat is in the building. Oh, what is this?
Okay, yeah.
So guys, these are dry leaf for making black soup. Look at it. So my mom brand it. So you just have to, when you want to make black soup, it will be easier. I don't know what is here. Okay, I see. This one is utezi.
Utazi.
Utazi. This one is for my mother-in-law. Look at it, guys. It's utazi. Yep. Hi, lady. Okay, this one is another bush and the mint in the building. Okay. This is another that the Bella, your bushmeat is too much.
Already.
I don't eat bushmeat, but I love this. This is another hiya. You are going to take me thumbnail with this one. Okay, another bushmeat. Another bushmeat, guys. Too much bushmeat in the building. Another bushmeat is here.
Oh my God.
Oh, Daddy Bella say, oh my God. I know you are very happy. Hi. Okay, guys. Look at bush meat. Look at meat. Bush meat. Now big man they chop this one. Look at it. Wow. Look at it, guys. Bush meat. Miss, look at it. Look at the head. So is the head. The head for Daddy Bella. Okay. Okay, these are bonga fish. I don't play with my bonga. So these are my bonga fish, guys. As you can see, these are bonga fish. Let me keep it there. Don't want anything to go inside my bonga fish. Okay. Okay, this one is also leaf. I think it's also bitter leaf. Because I can hear the smell, the scent from here. Okay. Yeah, it's bitter leaf, guys. Look at it. Fresh bitter leaf. Okay. We still have a lot of things. We have this one. My bushmeat, the oga pata is the bushmeat. Okay. Okay, this one is for the mom. I will go see. So guys, look at the bushmeat. I finished arranging everything. Look at the bushmeat. These are the leaves. For black soup, this is utazi. This is bitter leaf. These are the bonga, stuffed fish, and pepper soup spicy. So that is all we got. Look at ogbolo here and egusi. So guys, look at chewy stick. Let me not forget. So it's my mother-in-law that bought this for Daddy Bella. You know he talk too much. To brush his mouth. Chewy stick. So thank you so much, guys, for watching.
You know what?
See you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.